Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.41 in the software sector, marking a significant uptick compared to our historical baseline. This spike is unusual, especially with the momentum holding steady at 0, indicating that positive sentiment is persisting without the usual fluctuations. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis, including sentiment scores, momentum trends, and the breakdown into 18 semantic clusters, giving you clear insights into how software is resonating with users. Imagine you're developing a product roadmap and want to prioritize features based on user sentiment. This data can guide your decisions, ensuring you focus on what truly matters to your audience. Dive deeper into the API at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs and see how these insights can sharpen your development strategy.